Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills and shimmering lakes, there lived a diverse community of people. Among them were artists, craftsmen, writers, and dreamers, each with their unique talents and stories to tell. While they lived harmoniously, there was a longing in their hearts for something that would bind them closer together, to celebrate their diversity and create a lasting legacy for generations to come. One sunny morning, as the townsfolk gathered at the local park, a young artist named Mia stepped forward with an idea that sparked excitement and curiosity. She proposed a community art project, a grand collaboration that would bring together people of all ages, backgrounds, and talents to create something magnificent. Mia explained her vision: "Let us create a mural, a work of art that represents the beauty of our community. Each person can contribute their own unique piece to this grand tapestry, blending our diverse styles and experiences into a masterpiece that will reflect the essence of who we are." The idea spread like wildfire, capturing the imagination and igniting the spirit of the townspeople. The word spread far and wide, reaching even those living in neighboring villages. Soon enough, the entire community was buzzing with anticipation and creative energy. On the chosen day, the townsfolk gathered at the park, armed with brushes, paints, and a shared sense of purpose. Families, friends, and strangers alike came together, eager to leave their mark on the canvas of unity. A large blank wall, once dull and unremarkable, now stood as a testament to the dreams and aspirations of the community. As the project unfolded, children painted vibrant flowers, animals, and imaginative scenes, their youthful spirits bringing life and joy to the mural. Adults contributed with intricate patterns, landscapes, and symbols representing their cultures and beliefs. Elderly folks shared stories of the town's history, inspiring motifs that embodied the wisdom and strength of the past. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, but the community art project forged on, fueled by the collective determination and unwavering support. Artists collaborated with non-artists, teaching and learning from one another, bridging the gaps between generations and backgrounds. Along the way, challenges arose, creative disagreements, occasional doubts, and moments of frustration, but the spirit of unity prevailed. The townsfolk discovered that through their differences, they were bound by a common thread, a shared love for their community and the belief that their collective efforts would yield something extraordinary. Finally, the day came when the last stroke of paint was applied, completing the magnificent mural. The townspeople stood back, their hearts swelling with pride and a renewed sense of belonging. They marveled at what they had achieved, a vivid, kaleidoscopic masterpiece that told the story of their community, woven with passion, diversity, and togetherness. The unveiling of the mural was met with awe and wonder. Visitors from neighboring towns and cities flocked to witness the beauty born from unity. The community art project became a symbol of hope and inspiration, drawing people together from far and wide. But the true magic of the project lay not only in the finished artwork but in the lasting impact it had on the community. The process of creating the mural had sparked newfound friendships, kindled hidden talents, and instilled a sense of pride in every individual involved. The community had discovered the power of collaboration, empathy, and the ability of art to bridge divides and foster social cohesion. And so, the community art project became an annual tradition, a testament to the enduring spirit of unity and creativity. Each year, the townsfolk would embark on new artistic endeavors, creating sculptures, installations, and performances that continued to bring people together, celebrate diversity, and inspire generations to come. In the end, the community learned that the true masterpiece was not the artwork itself but the bonds they had formed, the stories they had shared, and the transformative power of a collective dream realized. The community art project had forever changed their lives, leaving an indelible mark on their hearts and the landscape of their town. And as the sun set over the vibrant mural, casting colorful shadows on the faces of the townspeople, they knew that their shared legacy would forever be a beacon of inspiration, reminding them of the extraordinary things they could achieve when they came together as one.